Hey, welcome back everyone. This is Dan with Boulevard.com here to showcase to you a pretty special product. It's a wheelchair accessible RV. You heard that right. Wheelchair accessible RV. Now, for many years, folks have been building their own, know someone that had the ability to build one, and ultimately had to have about $250,000 or more to put one together. Here, our friends at Cummings Mobility, the Midwest premier wheelchair accessible dealer, has allowed us to come on in, take a quick video of the Winnebago Rome, which is on the Ram Promaster chassis. They've taken all of their characteristics of making vehicles into RVs, even added on the BraunAbility UVL wheelchair lift that stows underneath the vehicle, so that when not in use, you have a wide open door for easy, safe entrance. Comes complete with the microwave. You've got a little sink there with a mini fridge. Both seats will rotate back so we can transfer into them very easily. I've even heard that hand controls can be installed onto these for wheelchair users themselves. Great front on the Ram. As we continue on through, it does come equipped with the Q-strength slide and click for wheelchair securements. Rotate towards the back. Comes with a TV, lots and lots of storage cabinets overhead. Get on into then our bathroom. It is a wet bath that comes with a toilet as well as a shower capability for this. Rear sofa bed, that one deployed down. Where is my button here? Unfold into a queen size bed. Comes with a rooftop mounted AC. I was looking around this earlier today, and it does even come with a little shower. Once you open up those rear doors at the back, you got the ability to do an exterior shower. Pretty fancy. Cabinets here, pull down, drop down below for wheelchair users. Highlight a little bit back onto this wheelchair lift that we started to take a quick peek at. This is a BraunAbility wheelchair lift. It's the UVL, which stands for under vehicle lift. Now, right now, because this is not at floor level and I am applying weight onto this floor, I'm going to get an audible tone. That there is to identify to us that the platform is not at floor level, therefore we should not go out. To operate this lift, we're going to have three functions: up, down, and stow. Right now I'm going to bring it to the up position. Outboard barrier is going to raise so that the wheelchair cannot fall or roll backwards. It's got 750 lifting capacity. It's hydraulically driven. That platform that you're looking at there is 31 inches wide, 48 inches long. System does come with a complete override in the event that you would need it. Let's see here. Lift also does come with a 3-year warranty. Now, of course, if you're going to rent this, a lot of this really doesn't make sense. If you're looking to buy one, you know, some of these details pretty important just within your research. Now, again, show you kind of the #1 selling feature on this, other than it being an RV, is that again, when this is stowed away, this lift is going to tuck underneath that vehicle. It's going to give you complete unobstructed access for multi-purpose, multi-use. Looking to get pricing on either purchasing one, renting one for 2 weeks or more, go to Boulevard.com. You can locate Cummings Mobility there, which at this point, I believe, is one of the only dealers in the country that has these available in the Mobility Dealer Network. Contact their experts today to learn more. Any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.